mobility workouts you can do for your shoulder. I like to do this before deadlifts, bench press, any upper body movement. You can do this for squats too, so your shoulder mobility is upright when you're pinching your shoulders back on that high bar squat. So these are called handcuff rotations. Everybody seems to lack mobility, not everybody, but a good majority of the population. So with that being said, it's good to practice mobility, and with this movement, that's gonna be great for it. So it'd be great to do this 10 minutes and practice it every day, absolutely. So we're gonna get a bench. You can do this on the floor, but I feel like I get a better range of motion, better feel when I'm laying on the bench. So lay down. What we wanna do is we're gonna have our hands touching the ground. We want our hands not touching our back, and basically we want to have them coming up to the, neck as possible. So I'm grabbing tight, pushing forward, pinching my shoulders back, trying to have them come up to my neck as far as possible, right? So I'm gonna put my hands like this, push forward to my neck as far as I can. I'm contracting that scapula, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push forward out, all the way as far as my shoulders can go, and then I'm gonna come forward, and then when it feels comfortable, my body's gonna want to naturally rotate my shoulders, and then we're gonna supinate, like supinate holding a bowl of soup, and put my hands out, fully extend all the way out, relax my neck, come in, touch the middle back, come out, and then reverse and repeat. And then rotate and go all the way back. And go slow, don't go too fast. Come in, and then try and come up as far to the neck as possible, okay? You want to do those nice and slow. I'm gonna change so I have more room to do this. And I'm gonna change directions as well. Get some of this out of the way. And I like to do this either 10 times or for 10 minutes. So like I said, lay down, get our hands as far as we can to the neck. And then whenever we're ready, come out as far as we can. Rotate, 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 rotate as far as we can. Supinate those hands all the way up, fully extended. Come out. Come out again, go slow. Rotate, rotate, big circles. And I'm shaking right now. And then put your hands all the way up to your neck, like that. And then we'll do one more. All the way out. Rotate when it feels comfortable for you. Out front. And then back to the neck. My shoulders are primed after doing 3 of those, so handcuff rotations, you gotta give these a try, so I'm out. Peace.